Are you a corporate learning designer? You feel like sometimes your learning program's a little bland? You'd like to spice it up somehow? Maybe my e-learning recipes could help. I'm Karl. I've been a freelance instructional designer for over 15 years. I've built thousands of SCORM modules. I'm sitting here in my kitchen because I also believe the real art of our craft is not just gathering the content, but making it memorable. To help you get your creative juices flowing, I'm using a recipe metaphor to talk about blended learning. So the e-learning recipes show different ingredients: a webinar, a storyline module, a PDF. These could be the different ingredients. These are our different learning technologies that go in the blend, along with directions, step-by-step directions on how to build one on your own. So some recipes are really easy. My first is how to put a live web page into your SCORM course. The internet is constantly updating. Why isn't your e-learning course? Some recipes get a little more complicated. Some have sample files and graphics that you can use as a starting point. I hope that with all of them, you treat it like you would any good recipe. You adapt the recipe based on your tastes and what you have in your technology cupboards. They say that food is love, and I love my craft. These e-learning recipes are my way of sharing what I love about instructional design with you. It's this wonderful combination of this sweet art and this savory science. Let's dig in together.